Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Prince George local and long-distance movers near me. Getting the cheap Prince George moving company you need isn't always easy. With 3 Movers, it becomes simple. We offer affordable rates and dependable services for local and long-distance moves. Our team will provide you with the necessary moving services to relocate your family, business, equipment, or anything else. Getting the right long-distance moving services to make your move easier is important. We offer packing services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. You can relocate to a new location 100 miles away or further with our help. We make long-distance moves so much easier. When you trust our team, you'll get all the help you need to make moving less stressful. A Canadian moving company can make a local move easier to handle. When you choose the right local movers, you get the best option to help you with all the hard work. Plus, you won't have to worry about injury from lifting heavy items. 3 Movers speeds up your local move and handles it with incredible efficiency. We use a streamlined option to help you get settled in sooner. Our team can turn a 3-day move into a few-hour move. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Prince George moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.